Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use artificial intelligence to grow your digital product business in 2024. If you're watching this right now, chances are that you are a digital entrepreneur, you create content, you sell product and services online, whether it's digital, physical products, or professional services. And we're creating Mainstack to help you do that seamlessly. You can get paid in over 150 countries globally without having to have any technical skill or any technical knowledge. So go check out Mainstack right now to sign up and start using Mainstack to sell your digital products. But today we want to talk about how you can integrate artificial intelligence into your processes to use that to grow your digital product business if that's what you're into. But before I continue, here's a quick fact for you. Artificial intelligence will contribute $15.7 trillion to global economy by 2025. All right, this is Editor Daniel here. That was supposed to be 2035. AI will contribute almost $15.7 trillion to economies by 2035. That was a mistake. Needed to correct that. And that's in less than 10 years. So if you're not learning artificial intelligence today, you will be left behind. Now think about when we made the transition to, personal computers and the internet came about. A lot of people who did not make that transition were left behind. They lost jobs and, things just didn't look right for them afterwards. So you need to start learning how artificial intelligence works and how you can integrate that into your business. Now, as a creator, we struggle to find time, to find resources, and to find the right ideas for digital products. Maybe you're building an audience right now and you're thinking about ways to monetize your audience. It's not enough to rely on this platform, say YouTube, for example, for the ad revenue or to rely on brand collaborations. As a creator, you should be actively thinking about how you can create multiple streams of income, whether that's through offering your products or services to your audience to buy. Gone are the days where you need to come up with all of the ideas yourself and build a product and build all the resources that comes along with it. I personally have infused AI into my processes for the last 1.5 years since ChatGPT became global, since it became mainstream. But right now we have so many options and I'm committed to helping you understand what options you have out there in order to start using artificial intelligence in your processes today. And some reasons why you should infuse artificial intelligence into your process is that one, it helps you streamline your process. Gone are the days where you need to write your own product description, you need to come up with a content idea and even create that product yourself. I made a video right here where I talked about how to use Google Gemini to create an ebook, and that video is still one of our most viewed videos today. So I will recommend that you check that video out. So gone are the days where you have to create all of that resources, all of that product by yourself. AI helps you streamline your process. It helps you boost your creativity and to give you an edge in the marketplace. Now, another thing that AI helps you do is to work smarter and not harder. It saves you time, it saves you money while increasing your chance of success. For example, this video you're watching right now, I literally used AI to come up with the topic that sounds the best, and I use it as well to come up with the outline for this video. So it's not only useful in creating digital products or to use it to write text messages to the girl you're talking to. You can literally use AI as an assistant and help you streamline your process. Now, how specifically can you use artificial intelligence? One, you can use artificial intelligence for market research. Market research is one of the most important things you will do when you're trying to create a digital product. You need to know exactly what people want, not just creating something and hope that it sells. You need to be able to know. You need to be able to know down to the tiniest detail. What topic do you want to talk about, or what specific subjects within that topic you want to talk about that will resonate with people. Not just that, you can use artificial intelligence to create an avatar for your ideal customer. And a lot of times you don't have these things necessarily like sitting in your brain ready to go, but using artificial intelligence, like I said earlier, to streamline your process and to help you boost your creativity is going to go a long way. Now, the next thing is topic ideation. You know exactly who you want to target, you know exactly what broad subject you want to talk about, but how do you come up with that topic that resonates? How do you come up with something that people will say, you know what, I need that, give me that? And artificial intelligence is one way, one surefire way to do that. And I talked about all of this in my last video. For example, if you are a freelancer and you're trying to create a topic around freelancing, maybe you want to teach other people how to start freelancing. An example is you can go on Google Gemini and just type in something broad, like I want to create an ebook on how to start freelancing. Give me some topic ideas. Now, prompting can be as simple as this. In fact, you can go as far as giving it constraints and making it act like you in some cases, but this is a good place to start. So when you hit enter, it's going to go to work and it's going to come up with some topic ideas for you that you can choose from. And one thing I love about Google Gemini is the fact that being a product of Google, it is so grounded because it pulls from the general database of Google. So they know exactly what people are searching for in real time using tools that already exist in, like Google Trends, for example. So this is the results that I've gotten from Google Trends. It's giving me some foundational concept. It's giving me the business of freelancing, finding clients and projects, client relationships and growth, and some other bonus sections. So this is what I mean by market research and topic ideation. So it's saying that I can write an ebook on foundational concepts, I can write an ebook on business of freelancing or finding clients and projects. And under each of these broad subjects, it's given me some ideas that I can write on. So Google Gemini is very powerful in that regard. So go ahead and start using it today. In fact, I will leave a link down description to this prompting guide. It's called Prompting Guide 101. It's from Google itself. They have a detailed version of it. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Go download it and start learning about the basics of AI prompting so that you can use it to the best of its ability. Now, let's talk about creating digital product, how you can use AI to create digital products. I created a whole video about this. It's going to be right here in the description. Go check it out, where I used AI to create an entire ebook in less than 10 minutes. If you're trying to create a course, create a masterclass, create an ebook, you can literally use AI to come up with the idea, to come up with specific topics that you want to talk about, specific modules, and tell AI to write out those things for you. It can be as simple as that. So AI can help you in this regard as well. So you can use it to do market research, topic ideation, and creating digital products. Now, here are some tips and best practices for you when you're trying to use AI to grow your digital product business. One, you want to use AI as a guide and not a complete replacement. The truth is, AI is great, but it cannot replace an actual human being. So you want to treat it as such. You want to make sure that you are not entrusting everything, every single one of your process into AI, because it's still going to have flaws and you don't want those flaws reflecting in your final product. Number two, you want to keep up with advances. Advances will happen every single day. You want to make sure you are at the forefront of those developments. When a new tool comes out, you want to be trying it out. I used to believe GPT was the best AI out there, but I am realizing over the last couple of weeks that Google Gemini actually has some really useful things that ChatGPT does not have. For example, its knowledge base is so well-rounded and the way that it structures its results are so good. So the third one is to experiment and to iterate. You want to make sure that you're experimenting a lot. Don't just rely on the first thing that you get. For example, like I said, get this Prompting Guide 101. I'm going to leave the link to it in the description. Go download it. It's completely free. It's on the Google website, and you can start learning about prompting, how to get the best results from this, artificial intelligence tools. So you want to experiment with that. You want to iterate and make sure that the results you're getting, the first one is not going to be perfect. You want to fine tune it and make sure that you are getting the best possible results. Again, use AI as a guide, not a replacement. Keep up with the advances and experiment a lot with your results. This is how you can infuse AI into your processes and use it to grow your digital product business as a creator or as an entrepreneur. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing. If you have any questions specifically about what I talked about today, make sure you leave it down in the comments. If you have any general questions about our platform, Main Stack, make sure you're reaching out and asking your questions in the comment section. I'm always there answering questions, and all of your questions we use to inform the future videos that we make. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.